You have been there before. The trade start in profit. Everything looks perfect. Then boom, the market reverse. Hit your stop loss and wipe out all your gains. What if I told you there is a simple way to lock in profit, protect your capital, and never turn a winning trade into a loser? It's called stop loss trailing. And today I will be showing you how to go about the stop loss trailing. Now, what is stop loss trailing? Now, stop loss trailing means adjusting your stop loss as the market move in your favor. Adjusting your stop loss as the market move in your favor. It's like moving your safety net higher and higher as you climb. Now, the goal is to protect your profit and never let a winning trade turn red. You don't want to lose your winning trade, so you have to use the stop loss. Now, the trailing stop loss will help you to achieve that. Now, the big mistake trader makes is that the first thing is never to extend their stop loss. That's the first rule. Never extend your stop loss. If you plan to reach $1,000, don't move your stop loss further just to give it what room. Don't move it further. Stay where it is. If your stop loss is just at this place, just because the market is misbehaving does not mean you should move your stop loss here. Please stick to your rule. You are not managing risks anymore. You are gambling. That is pure gambling. Real traders manage their risks. Losers move their stop loss and pray. No, forex market does not work with religion. Does not work with prayers. Please, wrong movement of stop losses around can make your trade to become what? To become a loss. Let me just give you a few reasons why trailing your stop loss change everything. The first thing is that you eliminate risks by moving to break even once you are safely in profit. For example, now this is where you start your trade from, and you begin to make profit. You move to this place, and here comes a pullback. You put your stop loss, instead of your stop loss to be here, you move your stop loss to this place. Now you go up again, you have a pullback, you move your stop loss what? Here. It continue again, you have a pullback, you move your stop loss what? Here. That is what we call trailing stop loss. Now you lock in gain as price keep pushing in your favor. As price keep pushing in your favor, going up in your favor, you lock what? Gain. This is your profit here. This is your profit. This is your profit. As it keep moving in your favor, you what? You lock the profit. You lock your gain. You create win-win scenario. Either hit your profit target or work anyway. You are what? In profit. Now, for example, now if you keep moving your stop loss until you reach this particular place, this particular side, and then you have a pullback that hits your stop loss, you still end your trade in profit. There is nothing that is loss. Nothing that is lost. Your capital is secured. Your profit is secured. All the time is secured. That is trailing stop loss. And over time, this one habit boosts your total profitability massively. Over the time, if you do this over the time, it boosts your profitability massively, because it won't have a cost of loss, blowing account, and all these things. Now, the wrong way to trail. Let me explain the wrong way to trail. Don't chase every candlestick if you are trailing. If you trail too tight or too often, especially on lower time frames, market noise will knock you out early. Understand why I give space here. You see, after every pullback, there is going to be a level of rise or consolidation. So that is why I give this gap here. So it is not after every candlestick that you trail. It is not after every candlestick that you move your stop loss and trail. No, no, no. Wait for pullback. Wait for pullback to validate that you are actually doing the right trailing. Wait for what? Wait for pullback. Wait for pullback. And don't always use lower time frame for what? For trailing. Now remember, market breathe in and out. Give your trade space so that market can breathe in and out as it what? As it moves. Now the right way is for you to follow market structure. That is why I emphasize on pullback. Now, the secret to trading like a pro is to follow market structure. When you follow market structure, you trade like a pro. Now, for uptrend, that's for bullish movement, start your stop loss below a major swing low, just like I did, just like I showed you now. Start it with start your stop loss below a major swing low. Now wait for a new higher high and higher low to form. That is the pullback here and the pullback here before you what? You trade. Once that structure is confirmed, move your stop loss just below the latest validated higher low, which is this. See it. That is just what I did. Repeat same time the market makes new higher highs. Repeat it over and over. That's for uptrend. While for downtrend, you go the opposite direction. You go the opposite direction. Now let's get for a downtrend. Now for a downtrend, look at it for a downtrend. Now you enter your trade at this place. After a lower low, you look for you take your stop loss to the immediate lower high, and then after another lower high, you take your stop loss here. That is after every pullback, you see it, you take it here, and that is how you keep moving. You wait for it to show you a lower low and lower high, then you what? You enter. Move your stop loss just after the latest validated lower high, which is this, and then keep trailing the structure until the trend end. Until the trend end. Keep what? Keep trading. Now, I want us to understand something. Always trail on the same time frame you enter your trade. Trail on the same. Don't move to higher time frame or lower time frame. Trail on the same time frame you enter the market. Now, if you enter on a 30 minutes chart, trail on a 30 minutes chart. Dropping to a 5-minute chart will draw you into what? Noise. And you will be stopped out very quickly. You'll be stopped out in the market very, very quickly. So maintain it. If you start your trade on the 15 minutes time frame like I used to do, I trail on 15 minutes. I continue trailing on 15 minutes. I will not go to lower time frame to trail. No, I maintain my 15 minutes to trail and then make my sufficient profit on that 15 minutes using my patterns. Now, if you are an aggressive trader, you can trade by candlestick closes. This lock in profit faster, but be warned, it is risky. It is risky. One sharp pullback, you're already out of the market. For most traders, structure-based trading is the safer and the smartest way. It's the smarter and the smartest way for you to trade when you use the structure-based what trading. I always advise people. Now, when you want to become an aggressive trader, you will have to be trading commodities like gold, etc., etc. That's when it will help you. Now, stop loss trading is not just a technique; it's actually a discipline in action, not a trade, not a technique. Is what is a discipline in action. It keeps you safe, keeps you profitable, and build confidence in you, so that when you start trading with structure, you are not emotional. You are not emotional at all. You know what you are looking for, you know what you are after. So guys, trade with structure. Don't trade with candlestick. I will advise again, trade with structure. Don't trade with candlestick. Look at this trade. Now if you want to move your stop loss, you want to move your stop loss, you move it here. If you start your selling at this place, move your stop loss at this place. The next stop loss will be at this place, and then look at what is happening. Before you know that, there was a what? There was a reversal backward. There was, yes, look at it, there was a reversal here. Now after breaking this structure, breaking this particular structure, you move your stop loss down here and continue moving. That is how to do it. Please don't make it so tight, and don't do it after every candlestick. If you do it after candlestick, look at these particular places. This one could have taken you out of the market, this could have taken you out of the market, this could have taken you out of the market, this candlestick. So don't trade very aggressively. Don't trade very aggressively. Just follow structure in order for you to trade, and you will become so confident and profitable in your trading. If this video help you, hit the like button and comment trail like a pro. Don't forget, comment trail like a pro, and I will see you in the next video. Also subscribe, because next video I will show you how to trail profit target for maximum gain. I will show you how to trail profit target for maximum gain. Now, see you in the next video. Don't forget, never turn a winning trade into a loss. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information.